my water jug. I love it. Let's check it out. So this summer, you guys, I plan to be summertime fine. But to get summertime fine, you need to make sure that you're exercising daily and also that you're getting enough water. So that's why I was able to get this jug. All right, you all. So let's check some things out. I love the colors on this water jug right here. As you see, they're nice and vibrant. They're matching my nails as well. I like it. I like it a lot. This is a half gallon, and it also has some words at the front if you can see. These are words to motivate you to drink up all this water. So at first it has good morning when you pour it all the way to the top. Then it has hydrate yourself, remember your goal, keep chugging, feeling awesome, don't give up, almost finished, and you did it. So it's motivating you to drink more and also makes your body feel good when you're done. All right, you guys, I am here to be summertime fine. I'm here to enjoy the hot weather, but to enjoy the hot weather, I need this cool and refreshing water. With that being said, I love the handle that goes on here too, because not only can I slip my hand through here and wear it like that, I can also hold it on this handle as well. This handle at the top, so it's 3 ways you can hold this half a gallon jug. It also has an extra top it comes with, so if you don't like to drink it from this type of top, there has another one for your convenience, which is cool. All right, you all, make sure you're going to Run Deals, finding that coupon, putting that code in the cart, and getting that discount for this. This is really cool and awesome. I think I'm going to buy another one because I think it would be a great gift for my family members because they want to stay hydrated in the summer too. So if I were you, maybe put 2 or 3 in there so you'll have a couple of water jugs.